Calamity, Doctor.
Tell me where to go, tell me what to do. I'll be right there for you. Tell me what to say, no matter if it's true. I'll say it all for you.
My mom, no dad, so I am non-compliant at home. At school, I'm just signed off with, and I don't need no advanced psychologist trying to diagnose us.
'Cause this is my legacy, legacy. This is my legacy, legacy. Legacy, legacy.
Essentially gave organizations like GCHQ and the NSA a free rein to go do mass surveillance. It also overturned a lot of the rules and laws, and now we're in the situation where uncrackable encryption for our data, and it is genuinely a real problem for the counterterrorism agency.
I'm sure some of those inquiries are legitimate inquiries. The problem is that the government cries wolf over so many of these various users.